greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless.
Another special one at Akins.
I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break.
How's everyone doing today? It is Real Deal at Wild Willies at Akins. Yes, I'm in a Raptor. Not just any Raptor, but you know I'm in an INDORAPTOR, y'all. And this one is truly special. I'm pulling it over here. You're gonna be surprised when you see what all we did or did not do. So thanks for watching today. If most of you have checked out other videos of ours in the past on Ford Raptor customizations, you've probably seen renditions similar to this. This is my Redline First Blood 6 INDORAPTOR, y'all, and this one is phenomenal, just like many of the other ones that we've done, because we do a lot of paint match. And I know that we get beat up a lot of times by true hardcore Raptor people, I guess you would call them, of saying, don't do that. Why are you paint matching these vehicles? Because they look phenomenal doing them that way, first and foremost. But nonetheless, we still like to have other variations where we don't do paint match in lieu of this beautiful 2021 Akins Ford Raptor INDORAPTOR edition on 37s as well. So this video review today is primarily premiering and showcasing this one that we just finished, that we actually just sold. The customer came here within 2 hours of completing it and scooping it up and actually doing more upgrades. So you guys stay tuned for that, y'all. But I love not doing INDORAPTOR paint packages on them as well. Don't get it twisted. I love how this one turned out because it just has that more off-road rugged appeal to it. So just to let you know that Real Deal's diverse, y'all. I've told y'all many times, there's a lot of different interests, especially when it comes to the Raptor vehicle. You can take it more of that luxury, off-roadish, street vibe to it, and then you could actually do no paint matching and make it more rugged, overland style. So that's what we have here, and love the black on black. And by not doing the paint match, there are certain colors that you must do paint match, in my opinion, and black is one that you can go either way with. Silver you actually can go either way with also, y'all. But I love the way that this one turned out. And so my Raptor is a 37 package, so it came with 37 from the factory. Obviously we leveled it and did a little bit bigger with entire combos. This is actually a little bit bigger than a 37 actually, but this came as a 35 package. So we did a 1.5 inch RPG perch collar level kit. See it right there. To get us to accommodate 37s. We've got 37, 12 and a half, 20 Nitto Ridge Grappler, because we wanted to, actually I wanted to run trails. I'm not even gonna lie. I wanted to run a trail grappler on this one, but I couldn't find trail grapplers. Tires are getting hard to find. I wanted a mud terrain, but nonetheless, the great customer that purchased this is glad I did not, because he's an everyday driver with this vehicle and wants a slightly better overall road quality experience as far as road noise and comfort. So Ridge Grappler hybrid tire, looks aggressive but rides smooth. The Black Rhino rapid wheel, I love this finish, that gunmetal, which was really wheel I've been holding in my back pocket for quite some time, because it matches your gray components that we did not paint on this one. So let me know what you think. Let me show you my money shot right here. That's it right there, y'all. Look at that. Such a rugged vehicle. The light bar, the customer actually does not like that as much, but I told him, I said, look, just run it for a few weeks and let me know what you think about it. You're gonna have a lot of compliments on it, I can assure you. Plus it just adds to the overall ruggedness of this vehicle. But going back to the wheel finish really ties in nicely by not doing the paint match. And he's actually gonna add ADD bumpers, Desert Design bumpers, front and rear, the Honey Badger with more lighting. On the KC lights up top, they are super bright. I gotta get you a nighttime clip of this, but we actually, you know, it's that yellow KC logo. We actually did a reflective logo on that portion to kind of dumb it down a little bit, because it just wouldn't look good in our opinion by leaving those yellow up there. So let me know what you think. A good comparison. Are you more of the street luxury Raptor style, or are you more of the off-road rugged, just overland and roll and conquer style? I have negative 13 on my offset, and this is that sweet spot to me of plus 12. So the plus 12, very popular with Venom Rex wheels and other off-road wheels on Raptor. So a plus 12 offset is a great balance of getting, you know, slightly outside the fender, but just not being as aggressive as it's mine over here. Actually on mine, a side note, we had to do a 1.5 inch level, the same level kit on this one, and do a Fouts spacer in the rear to raise it 3/4 inch in the rear also, because I'm super aggressive, y'all, on my wheel and tire combo on this one. So paint matched, looking clean, keeping it a street vibe, more so on mine versus the off-road rugged Raptor rendition, ready to conquer all. Showed you on the inside earlier, we have a power retracts bed cover here. I was also thinking about putting on the T slot a tent or some more bed rack or more accessories out back, but I did not on this one. But just a good look from the rear also between the two. Did custom tail lights on mine too, just for comparison. I would keep this truck right here matte black with your other areas. I think this is a great clean build. Did a swing case from undercover out back, Akins liner guaranteed for life. This thing's ready to roll, y'all. So proud of what we do here and our great customers that come to see us and trust in us. That's what it's all about, y'all. Hope you've enjoyed this Raptor review of our latest INDORAPTOR. We have many more coming to you, just to let you know. So if you're all about the Raptors, you got to be all about Akins and Willies. Peace out.